Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Loading images in Python using urllib.request and handling Stack Overflow issues. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide on loading images from the web using the urllib.request module in Python. It covers basic usage, error handling, common issues, and specific strategies for dealing with potential problems encountered when interacting with web servers, including those that might lead to issues similar to what you see on Stack Overflow, rate limiting, connection errors, etc. Why urllib.request? Urllib.request is a built-in module in Python. Specifically, it's part of the urllib package, making it a dependency-free solution for basic HTTP requests. While libraries like requests offer more convenient features, understanding urllib.request is valuable for its fundamental nature and minimal overhead. It's useful for scripts where you don't want to add external dependencies. Prerequisites ** Python 3.x installed. * Basic understanding of HTTP requests and responses. Table of contents * 1. Basic image loading with urllib.request. 2. Saving the image to a file. 3. Handling exceptions and errors. 4. User agent headers, avoiding blocking. 5. Timeout management. 6. Authentication, if required. 7. Dealing with Stack Overflow-like issues, rate limiting, connection problems. 8. Using proxies, if necessary. 9. Complete example with error handling. 10. Alternatives, requests library, brief mention. 11. Best practices and considerations. 1. Basic image loading with urllib.request. The core functionality revolves around the urllib.request.urlopen function, which opens a network object, like a URL, and returns a file-like object. We can then read the content of this object to get the image data. Explanation **** import urllib.request, imports the necessary module. *image_URL, stores the URL of the image you want to load. Crucially, replace the example URL with an actual image URL. *urllib.request.urlopen, image_URL, opens a connection to the specified URL. This returns a response object. *with, as response, uses a with statement to ensure that the connection is properly closed, even if errors occur. This is crucial for resource management. *response.read, reads the entire content of the response into the image_data variable as bytes. This is the raw image data, example JPEG, PNG, GIF. *error handling, the try, except block handles potential urllib.error.url error exceptions, errors related to opening the URL, like invalid URLs or network problems, and a more general exception for unexpected errors. This is essential for robust code. Setting image_data equals none allows you to handle the case where the image download failed. Important note, this code loads the entire image into memory. For very large images, this might be problematic. We'll discuss streaming options later. 2. Saving the image to a file. To save the downloaded image to a file, you can use Python's built-in file handling. Explanation **** output_file name, specifies the file name and path where you want to save the image. Choose the correct file extension based on the image format, example.jpg, .png, .gif. You can try to infer the file type from the URL or HTTP response headers, but it's not always reliable. *open, output_file name, WB, as F, opens the file in binary write mode, WB. This is crucial for writing image data correctly. Again, the with statement ensures proper file closure. *f.write, image_data, writes the image data to the file. 3. Handling exceptions and errors. Proper error handling is essential for robust code. Here's a more detailed breakdown of potential errors. *urllib.error.url error, the most common exception. It can be raised for *invalid URLs, example typos, incorrect format. *network connectivity issues, example no internet connection, DNS resolution failures. *timeout errors, we'll cover timeouts explicitly later. *server not found, example the domain name doesn't exist. *urllib.error.http error, raised when the server returns an HTTP error code, example 404 not found, 500 internal server error. *OSERror, can be raised if there are problems writing to the file, example insufficient permissions, disk full. *value error, can be raised if the URL is malformed. Here's an example of handling HTTP error. 4. User agent headers, avoiding blocking. Many websites, including Stack Overflow, implement measures to prevent bots and scrapers from overwhelming their servers. One common technique is to check the user agent header of the HTTP request. If the user agent is not recognized or is associated with a known bot, the server might refuse the connection or return an error, example 403 forbidden. To avoid being blocked, you should set a realistic user agent header. Explanation **** urllib.request.request, image_URL, headers equals user agent, creates a request object, allowing you to specify headers. * user agent, sets the user agent header to a string that mimics a web browser. The example uses a common Chrome user agent. You can find up-to-date user agent strings online. Important, do not blindly copy user agent strings. Be ethical. Consider using a common one and avoid spoofing a specific browser version. *urllib.request.urlopen, REQ, opens the connection using the configured request object, including the custom headers. 5. Timeout management. Setting a timeout is crucial to prevent your script from hanging indefinitely if a server is slow to respond or unresponsive. You can specify a timeout value when calling urlopen. Explanation **** timeout equals 10, sets the timeout value to 10 seconds. *urllib.request.urlopen, image_URL, timeout equals timeout, passes the timeout argument to urlopen. *socket.timeout, catches the socket.timeout exception, which is raised when the timeout is reached. 6. Authentication, if required. Some websites require authentication, example username and password, before you can access images. urllib.request supports basic HTTP authentication. Explanation **** urllib.request.http password mgr with default realm, creates a password manager to store usernames and passwords. *password_mgr.add_password, none, image_URL, username, password, adds the credentials to the password manager. None is used for the default realm, typically the host name. You might need to specify a specific realm if the server requires it. *urllib.request.http basic auth handler, password_mgr, creates an authentication handler that uses the password manager. *urllib.request.build_opener, handler, builds an opener that includes the authentication handler. An opener is an object that handles the details of opening a URL, including authentication. *urllib.request.install_opener, opener, installs the opener globally, so that subsequent calls to urllib.request.urlopen will use the opener with authentication. The rest of the code is similar to the previous examples. 7. Dealing with Stack Overflow-like issues, rate limiting, connection problems. This is where things get more nuanced. Interacting with websites like Stack Overflow requires careful consideration of their policies to avoid being blocked or overloading their servers. Here's how to address common problems. Rate limiting problem. Websites often limit the number of requests you can make within a certain time period. Exceeding this limit can result in temporary or permanent blocking. Example: HTTP 429 too many requests. Solution. Introduce delays. Use time.sleep to add pauses between requests. Start with a small delay, example 1 second, and increase it if you're still being blocked. Respect retry after headers. Some servers send a retry after header in the HTTP response when you're rate limited. This header indicates how long you should wait before making another request. You should parse this header and use it in your time.sleep call. Implement exponential backoff. If you encounter rate limiting, progressively increase the delay between requests. This avoids hammering the server repeatedly. Connection problems, example: connection refused, connection reset. Problem. Network issues, server overload, or aggressive blocking can lead to connection errors. Solution. Retry mechanism. Implement a retry mechanism with exponential backoff. If a request fails, wait a short time, then try again. Increase the wait time with each subsequent failure, up to a maximum number of retries. Check network connectivity. Ensure that your script has a stable internet connection. Use proxies. If your IP address is being blocked, you can use a proxy server to route your requests through a different IP address, covered in the next section. Here's an example of implementing a retry mechanism with exponential backoff. Explanation. Download_image_with_retries, this function encapsulates the retry logic. Max_retries, the maximum number of times to retry the request. Initial_delay, the initial delay, in seconds, before the first retry. Max_delay, the maximum delay, in seconds, between retries. This prevents the delay from growing indefinitely. Exponential backoff. The delay is increased exponentially with each failed attempt. Delay equals initial_delay to attempt. This means the delay doubles with each retry. Jitter. A small amount of random jitter, random.uniform, 0, 1, is added to the delay. This helps prevent multiple scripts from retrying at exactly the same time, which could overwhelm the server. Jitter helps distribute the load more evenly. Retry after header handling. The code now checks for the retry after header in the HTTP response when a 429, too many requests, error is encountered. If present, it attempts to parse the value and use that for the delay, adding a bit of jitter. If the header is not present or cannot be parsed, it falls back to exponential backoff. Non-retriable errors. The code distinguishes between retriable, example temporary network issues, rate limiting, and non-retriable errors, example 404 not found. For non-retriable errors, the function returns none immediately. Asterisk error handling inside the loop. Asterisk error handling is done inside the retry loop, so that each attempt is properly handled. Asterisk return value. Asterisk the function returns the image data if the download is successful, or none if all retries fail. This makes it easy to check if the download succeeded. Important considerations for rate limiting. Asterisk check website's terms of service. Asterisk always review the website's terms of service and robots.txt file to understand their policies on automated access. Respect their rules. Asterisk be a good citizen. Asterisk avoid making excessive requests that could overload the server. Asterisk consider using APIs. Asterisk if the website provides an official API, use it instead of scraping the website directly. APIs are designed for automated access and often provide rate-limiting information. 8. Using proxies, if necessary. If your IP address is being blocked, you can use a proxy server to route your requests through a different IP address. Asterisk use proxies responsibly and ethically. Do not use them to bypass rate limits or engage in malicious activities. Asterisk. Explanation. Asterisk proxy _URL, replace http://your_proxy_ address port with the actual address and port of your proxy server. Asterisk urllib.request.proxy handler, http, proxy _URL, https, proxy _URL, creates a proxy handler that uses the specified proxy for both HTTP and HTTPS connections. You can specify different proxies for HTTP and HTTPS if needed. Asterisk the rest of the code is similar to the authentication example, creating an opener and installing it globally. Important considerations for proxies. Asterisk obtain a proxy. Asterisk you'll need to find a proxy server. There are free and paid proxy services available. Be cautious when using free proxies, as they can be unreliable or even malicious. Asterisk proxy authentication. Asterisk some proxy servers require authentication, username and password. You can use urllib.request.http proxy password mgr and urllib.request.http proxy basic auth handler in a similar way to the HTTP authentication example to provide credentials for the proxy. Asterisk proxy performance. Asterisk using a proxy can slow down your requests, so choose a proxy server that is geographically close to you and has good performance. Asterisk ethical considerations. Asterisk using proxies to circumvent rate limits or abuse services is unethical and may be illegal. Only use proxies when it's absolutely necessary and respects the website's policies. 9. Complete example with error handling. This example combines all the techniques discussed above. 10. Alternatives, requests library, brief mention. While this tutorial focuses on urllib.request, the requests library provides a much more convenient and feature-rich interface for making HTTP requests. It handles many of the complexities of urllib.request behind the scenes. It is highly recommended for more complex tasks. Key advantages of requests. Simpler API, more concise and intuitive syntax. Automatic encoding handling, handles character encoding automatically. Session management, easier to maintain sessions for multiple requests. Connection pooling, improves performance by reusing connections. Better error handling, provides more informative exceptions. 11. Best practices and considerations. Be respectful. Always respect the website's terms of service and robots.txt file. Error handling. Implement robust error handling to gracefully handle potential issues. Asterisk rate limiting. Asterisk be mindful of rate limits and implement appropriate delays. Asterisk user agent. Asterisk set a realistic user agent header. Asterisk timeouts. Asterisk set timeouts to prevent your script from hanging indefinitely. Asterisk memory management. Asterisk for very large images, consider streaming the data instead of loading the entire image into memory. You can use response.iter_content to read the data in chunks. Asterisk asynchronous operations. Asterisk for high-performance applications, consider using asynchronous libraries like Asyncio and IOT to make non-blocking HTTP requests. Asterisk use a library. Asterisk for most practical applications, requests is generally preferable to urllib.request due to its ease of use and advanced features. Asterisk logging. Asterisk implement proper logging to track requests, errors, and other relevant information. This helps with debugging and monitoring. Asterisk caching. Asterisk if you are repeatedly downloading the same images, consider caching them locally to reduce network traffic and improve performance. This detailed tutorial should give you a solid understanding of how to load images in Python using urllib.request and how to handle common issues you might encounter when interacting with websites. Remember to always be ethical and respect the website's policies. Good luck.